Enrico the Canary had a voice magnificente, singing opera all day long, despite an accident in which he sadly lost a leg. The cat he met was quicker, so now he has a wooden one made of a small matchsticker. Enrico the Canary, Enrico the Canary. But the lady he belonged to got very, very older, and then she died, so he was sent to a pet shop to get soda. One day a rich man passing by heard Enrico singing Verdi, and stopping goes into the shop and says, I buy the Verdi. Enrico the Canary, Enrico the Canary. And then he look and look again and says, what's this I see? This bird has got a wooden leg, so it's no good to me. Said Enrico, stop! Before you go, for my legs tied on with stringer. What are you looking for, my friend? A dancer or a singer? What are you looking for, my friend? A dancer or a singer?